Greetings. How to buy Ethereum. Welcome. I am Emre, webmaster of cryptocurrencyusa.net. In this video, I will show you the easiest way to buy Ethereum coin. How to deposit money on Binance, how to buy Bitcoin, how to buy cryptocurrency. You can find answers to all your questions in this video. Just follow the steps in the video. In the description section, you can use 20% commission kickback codes and links. Now, this is our website, cryptocurrencyusa.net. You can get all information about cryptocurrencies on this website. How to buy cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum and others. Videos and articles. Now, how to buy Ethereum. We can click Ethereum page. On this page, we can get all information about Ethereum. So easy. Videos and Binance commission kickback links and codes. Now, how to buy Ethereum? Just one click. This button. Let's go.